Daddy, what are y'all about to do?
We're about to go swimming in the ocean for the first time, right?
Vivi, are you ready?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do? You gonna go
Come on, let's
swimming?
go. Put your bucket. We're not gonna bring the bucket this time, okay? Because we're gonna go in the water.
Watch Vivi.
I'm gonna leave my glasses too.
Vivi, are you excited?
Okay, hold my hand. Ready?
Watch. That has sand on it. Here, let's go watch Daddy and Vivi. Watch. Ray, turn around. So cold. Hi, baby! Yay! Look at that boat! That's a party boat. Hi, Baba! Woo! Hi! Don't eat the fruit snack if it falls on the sand. Hold on. Ray, turn around. Hi. Hi, Hendrix. Woo! See those airplanes? That's the sound of freedom. All right. Hendrix, you want to go in the water? No? You don't want to go? Look at our setup. It's amazing. I'm so impressed with our setup. And everyone else is too. Yay! Uh-oh! She loves it. I want to see her face. Vivi, are you having fun? Oh, here's the big one! She loves it. Vivi, do you like it?
Whoa! Hey,
Look at this one. This is my son. He's scared. He's like his mama. I love the beach, but I love a pool on the beach. Are you done with that? Say bye-bye. Bless you. Say bye-bye. What? You want more snacks? All right, get them. What is it? Is it fruit snack?
Vivi had fun, Mommy.
Vivi, did you have a good time?
Did the wave knock you over? Did the wave knock you over? Huh?